Greetings from Unihost.com. In this tutorial, I will show you how to upgrade PHP 5.4 to PHP 7.4 on CentOS 7. This video is based on the guide from our knowledge base. All commands and links listed in the description below. If you are watching this video, there are chances your website is running with an ancient version of PHP. You are not alone. PHP version 5.3 is used by 1/3 of all the websites and 5.4 has 29% share. Both of this PHP version already reached the end of its life and no more security update will be provided. That means, you are already in big security risk. Let's start the installation process. To install PHP, type the next command. Type the following command to see the current PHP version. As you can see, the default PHP version is 5.4 and now we will update it. Turn on Remi repository. Install yum-utils packages. Yum-utils includes Yum Config Manager, which you can use to enable Remi as the default repository for installing different PHP versions. If you want to install PHP 7.1, PHP 7.2, PHP 7.3 or PHP 7.4 on CentOS 7, just enable it as below. Now you should refresh the repository. Checking PHP version one more time. And there you have it, PHP 7.4 installed and running on a CentOS 7 server. If you enjoyed the guide and found it helpful, please leave a comment and subscribe for further videos. Thanks in advance.